They said booby traps.
You mean booby traps?
That's what I said. Booby traps. That's what I said.
The Fratellis are coming!
I know. Sneak shoes. $20 bill. $20 bill.
Have you seen the movie The Goonies?
Yeah.
And she's too.
Wow, it looks good, man.
It works too, see?
Oh my God. No, 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 no.
It's scary, see? Happy Halloween.